Polecrete Stabilizer is a two-part polyurethane foam backfill. Its primary purpose is to replace either tamped dirt or crushed rock, which are conventional forms of setting utility poles. Each box contains the isocyanate and the polyol, as well as the mixing device, and you utilize the box as your mixing vessel. The product, being completely portable, provides you everything necessary to set a utility pole or any other implement in the ground.
It seems pretty easy to use and clean. If we're out in the field far and we had a couple of jugs of those, it might be a lot easier than trying to call a gravel truck in or a dirt or anything, to backfill those. It could save a lot of time.
For the lineman who's still tamping dirt or putting crushed rock in a pole to support it, the major advantages of Polecrete Stabilizer would be it doesn't require additional heavy equipment or manual labor to get it in the hole. With more and more utilities using hydrovac equipment to excavate holes for utility poles, Polecrete Stabilizer becomes an ideal replacement for that material that is no longer there and allows the product to be utilized and the job completed inside of 15 to 20 minutes.